Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. NVIDIA has just released this speaker diarization model which seems quite interesting. In this video we are going to install it locally and then we will see how we can do this speaker diarization with the help of this model. Before that, let me give you a very quick overview of what exactly this model is, what is the background in very simple words, and then we will get rolling with the installation. Now, if you look at this diagram, this tells you a bit of a picture of architecture of this model. So before that, let's try to understand what exactly is meant by speaker diarization. Speaker diarization is a process of identifying the speakers in an audio recording and labeling the segments of the recording corresponding to each speaker. It's an important task in speech processing with applications in areas like meeting transcription, podcast analysis, and voice assistance, and so on. Now, this model Sortformer is a new model that has been designed by NVIDIA specifically for speaker diarization. It's trained using unconventional objectives, including a new loss function called sort loss, as you can see on the screen. This loss function enables the model to autonomously resolve the permutation problem in speaker diarization, which is a critical challenge in this field. In essence, Sortformer is a deep learning model that can identify and label speaker segments in an audio recording, and it does so in a way that's competitive with state of the art models. It also has applications in multi speaker automatic speech recognition systems, and there are a lot of other use cases which you can check out. I will also drop the link to its model card where you can access not only that model card with some of the benchmarking training information, but also I will give you the link to its paper which you can read if you are interested in that. But let's try to get it installed and see how it works. Before that, let me give a huge shout out to our good friends at AgentBot who are sponsoring this video. AgentBot effortlessly lets you deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. So let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04 and my GPU card is NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Courtesy massed compute. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I will also give you a 50% discount coupon which you can use. So first up, let's create a virtual environment with Conda. Make sure that you create it with Python 3.10.12 because that is what is compatible with the Torch and other software which we are going to install as prerequisites soon after this virtual environment is created. Shouldn't take too long. And now let me install the PyTorch, Torch Vision, and few other stuff. And now let's install few more prerequisites which include FFmpeg, multimedia library, packaging, and Python. Let's wait for it. Okay, so you see it gave me the error with the first one because I didn't use sudo. So let's wait for it to create this packaging and that is done. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to use sudo with it. And that should be good now. And now we need to install NVIDIA Nemo here with pip with ASR support. This is going to take a bit of a time. NVIDIA Nemo is a generative AI framework from NVIDIA, which I already have covered in great detail on the channel. This is going to take few seconds. Okay, another thing which we need to do after NVIDIA Nemo is to install Hugging Face Hub because we would need to log into Hugging Face in order to access this model. For that, you would need to go to huggingface.co, sign in, and from your profile, grab your read token, which is a free token from Hugging Face. Let me paste my token here as I need to log in order to access that model. And that is all done. So this is where all the installation is done. Next up, I need to launch my Jupyter notebook. So while that launches, so this is where you can see that you would need to log in. So once you are logged into Hugging Face, at the top right, go to your you would need to log in, of course. Once you are logged in with your email address or sign up, then you can grab it from your profile. And our Jupyter notebook is launched. First step, we need to download the model from Hugging Face. And the model is being downloaded. You can see it's a very lightweight model, just under 500 million parameter. And the model is loaded, and then it gives you some of the architecture and other configuration of the model and some other information. And there you go. So model is all ready. In order to do speaker diarization, all you need to do is to provide the path to your audio file. So I already have this audio file on my local system, which I will also play shortly. And then we are predicting the diarization, the speakers and stuff, and then we are printing it out. So let me actually first play that audio for you quickly. So this is the audio.
Then, leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves, with their garments bound up by a girdle.
So it's a single speaker. So let's see how it goes with this diarization. So let me run this code now. And you can see that it has done the diarization. If you decipher this output, so what it means is that this 0.320 is the start time in seconds of the speaker segment, and then 10.470 is the end time in seconds for that speaker segment. And there was only one speaker, so which is the label that has been assigned to the speaker in the segment. So in essence, from 0.32 seconds to 10.4 seconds into the audio file, there is a speaker segment labeled as speaker 0, and this is the only speaker which was identified in the audio file. So pretty accurate, I would say. Okay, next up I'm just going to see if it is multilingual. So I have just given it an French audio wave file, and while we check it, let me quickly check VRAM consumption. So it is just consuming around 875 meg, which is nothing. You can easily run it on CPU, you won't even notice. So it has already done it, and you can see that it has done some diarization on this one. So it seems that it could also do that, the multilingual, but doesn't matter, I guess. Let me quickly also play it for you so that you would know what exactly that audio was.
Bonheur, n'est-ce pas le doux bourdonnement d'une vie bien vécue, une symphonie de moments qui résonne d'amour, de rire et d'un profond sentiment d'accomplissement?
Yeah, looks quite good. Unfortunately, I don't have any multi-speaker one, otherwise I would have shown you. Maybe I will arrange for something. But other than that, I believe a real good quality model. This is, try it out. Let me know what do you think about it. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.